I really enjoy the time I spend with my professors and all the different things we're learning.
They have a lot of experience in the field. They've been through it all.
He's taken the time to go over our portfolios and tell us what we should focus on as we graduate.
It can get very complex and hard. I wasn't all that great at it, so one of the professors will be like, okay, let's do a step-by-step.
If you go into their office hours and you're just like, hey, this is what I have so far, they'll help you with whatever issue you're having, and you're like, oh, that's how you do that.
I just come to them and say, hey, this is what I'm trying to do with the model. How do I do it?
They offer time for us to come into the computer lab outside of class, and they can help us with the homework.
I'm often going and bugging them with questions, asking for help. They're very quick to help me to understand what I'm doing wrong and how I can do better.
It's just above and beyond what you would expect from a normal professor. They're really invested in making sure that the students here succeed.